Oh, oh shit. What's up, everybody? I did say that, and then I finished my. I had a big project, and I thought I was going to be up all night working on it, and then we finished it. It was a group project, so it was me and a partner, um, and we finished it super quickly. So I was in a good mood, and I was like, you know what? Let's stream. Let's work on 16 squared. Um, so yeah, surprise. Um, so let's work on more 16 squared. Let's finish some stuff up. Um, I have added stuff. There is one, two, three. There are only three puzzles left to add, and so this is a free puzzle. You step on this and it immediately opens up. Um, I'll get to the cat later. Don't worry, I'll get to the cat in a second. This is a so it's a freebie puzzle because I'm pretty sure that this map is going to be too long for the amount of time given. And if I'm wrong, and if there's actually way time left over, I will replace this freebie with an actual puzzle. So yeah, the cat is an idea I had that's just so stupid. I had to add it, and so it's a looping GIF of a cat playing with a ball. And the puzzle is you have to stand on it and watch the ball go around 10 times. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. And then the door opens and you get the lever. um, yeah, that's the whole that's the whole puzzle. It takes 19 seconds, which is a good amount of time for a puzzle. I don't remember if I talked about this one on stream or not. If I didn't, this is like an upgraded version of the puzzle from 12 squared where it was one laser. Now it's three lasers. Um, so if I do this and then I can take these terracottas, or yeah, the glazed terracottas, and this part I the fastest I can do is still each section one at a. Oh, I did not mess that up. I didn't mess it up. Is doing each section one at a time. Um, so there's that. Then white. No. Yes. No. What am I? Hold on. Oh wait, I'm dumb. Ah, stop it. I do have negative resets. Yeah, I did that so that the reset counter wouldn't matter while I was playtesting. And then the pink one is here, and you'll see that the solution to the puzzle when I actually press all the buttons. Uh-oh. Why did none of those work? That's not good. Why the fuck did none of those work? They were working earlier. The armor stands are still there. Why are the armor stands still there? Help. It's supposed to kill all laser. Okay, hold on. Yeah, why are those armor stands still there? You're supposed to be dead, my friend. Kill. Why? What? Am I crazy? Kill at E tag equals laser P. Kill at E tag equals laser P. What? Bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I'm an idiot. Guys, I'm so stupid. It's working correctly. I just. Don't worry. Just. First, I have to do this. It's actually working correctly. There we go. So anyways, this is the solution. And you will see in a second that it creates a secret shape. And that shape is the trans flag. Hell yeah. So it makes a trans flag right in the middle. And in case you miss it, you have to run right over it to get to the lever. So boom. And this resets it, of course. So yeah, this part is going to be hard to do fast. Why am I lagging? Uh-oh. Where'd that stinky lag come from? Shut up. Listen, shut up. Okay, this part is going to be very hard to do fast. Because I don't have a good way of doing it without doing all of them at this, one after the other. Fucking shitting fuck. And then so that's like a lot of time. And then I would run and go do something else. Probably this one. Stand on it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, did I reset my counter for this? I don't think I did. I'm pretty sure this is not going to work. Yeah, it's not going to work. Oops, I forgot to reset it, but whatever. We did it. Now we're going to come back. And it's all done, and we can go get the chest. Demonetized, stop. That is, gross. I know that what you're saying actually means, but even so, still stop. I know you're just talking about the cat. Anyways, so we need to add 3 more puzzles, and then playtest, and then potentially add a 4th. Well, first we need to add, actually have the map work, reset and whatnot. But then... You hear that shit? You hear what I have to deal with all the time? My God. It was like this last night, too. Maybe you guys can't hear that. If you can't hear that, then good. I certainly can. Which is, yeah. So, let me know if, yeah, you can. Yeah, it's not fun for me. But whatever. They'll all get COVID anyways. Actually, I hope not. It's in this building. I'm going for another COVID test tomorrow morning. Getting tested twice a week is our school's policy. And I didn't know that. I misread it as once every 2 weeks, which is very incorrect. So, getting a test tomorrow. Yeah. I don't know what this room is. No idea. Literally none. What are this is room is does be? No, I shouldn't. Not a thing that I should do. There are 0 reasons for me to do that. What do I do with this room? I'm all out of ideas. Not for other maps, just for this map. I've got plenty of ideas for other maps. As soon as I finish this map, I'm going to... Oh man, do I prioritize Super Mario 16 World 2. I have to make it now. I said I would if the Glow Squid got voted, and it did. Fuck yeah. Bruh. Squid Squad all the way. We reign supreme. Oh, should I show you guys this? Should I show you guys this? I'm going to show you guys this. So, this isn't going to work exactly because... Oh, I still have it set up for Henzoid. Okay. In the final version, I'm gonna set it up for the name Captain Sparkles, but because it's currently set up for Henzoid, it'll work for me. So, I'm in adventure mode, and as soon as I press begin, because my name specifically is Henzoid and not something else, this happens. Oh no, it didn't work. Oh fuck. Oh, what went wrong? Shit. Okay, well, the squid summoning worked, but I was in the wrong place. What happened? Why did it teleport me here? Wait, I actually think I might know why it teleported me here. Oh, yeah, it's because it cloned this, but it should have it should have waited to clone that. Damn, okay, hold on. I know how to fix this. So first, let me change this to work for Henzoid. And then you'll see how that was supposed to actually go. So let me move this clone command to over here. And then you'll see how this was actually supposed to go. Game mode adventure. No, scoreboard players set Henzoid time -1. Okay, this is how it's supposed to go. Begin. Okay, and then I go into this room full of water. I said on Twitter I'd make you pay for voting for Chillager, and I always keep my promises. And then he's stuck in water, swimming around with a bunch of invulnerable glow squids as he slowly perishes. It's the perfect revenge. And also, I am calling ahead of time. I'm calling. You can get this on record. He is going to, when he gets trapped in here, he's going to get mad and he's going to say something along the lines of, See, he put glow squids in the game. You just need a resource pack to make them. I'm calling that happening. So yeah, when it happens, free reign to like clip that and then make a video like putting these together and put them on his like subreddit. Actually, I might do that. Yeah, because that's 100% gonna happen. He is very salty about these squids. Okay. So let me just clone. Or actually, I already have the clone. Oh, that didn't work because it's actually 14. And now it's for the name Captain Sparkles. Good, good, good. Okay, anyways. So that is everyone caught up. Excuse me. I'm all burpy right now. So we've got to figure out what to do for these final rooms. And I just don't know. I almost want to like go through my list of old map ideas and see if any of them are applicable to this, but I really don't think they will be. That is why I'm all burpy right now. It's because I just drank some Coke Zero. A tea section? What does that even mean? What does that mean? And how could it work? Well, Brewing. I don't know. We already did brewing for 10 squared 2, though. And though I do want callbacks to the previous squared maps, um, actually, I guess we could do more callbacks. I don't want to. I want it to be pretty original, but we could still have some callback sections. Um, I had an idea where it was like you you go. This was an idea I actually originally had for 12 squared, but I never used it. Um, it was where you go into the room and across from you is like an armor stand. And so it's like a mirror armor stand, and then you would have to control it and like mirror its movements to like get across the level. Um, I'm not super confident in being able to implement that buglessly, which is why I scrapped it because I felt like it might be kind of a weird like a mechanic that doesn't work super well. The thing about mirrors is that when you get closer in one direction, they get closer in the other direction, and I don't feel confident in doing that with commands. The only way I can think of is literally having to map out every area of the room and then saying that like if I'm here, the armor stand has to be here because you can't just like flip relative teleports, you know. Um, I don't think there's a way to be like to have like your distance from something be the distance something else is from that thing. So that's not really a viable option. Um, Other options are like there could be a like I feel like I could get away with doing another parkour section, but the problem is this is a parkour section and this is a parkour section. So it's having 3 parkour sections out of 12 is like a fourth of the map is parkour, and that's kind of. Also, this section is like kind of hard, and I might have to nerf it. All right. I mean, it's just hard in that like it's a pretty much instant retry. Yeah, but maybe, but that's like that's just going so in depth. Um, I already have my like tie into other rooms section, which is this section. Numbers 1 through 9, and they're hidden all over the place. Though number 1 is hidden in this room, but you have to bring the speed from this room into it. So you have to bring this speed to get across this gap. Um, I hid numbers 6, 9 in here because it's nice. Because it's nice, you guys. Do you get it? It's nice. This room has a hidden one. So once the laser gets here, you can jump into this secret hole and get the number 4. There's none in this room. There. In this room, on the 3rd stage, there's a block that's changed, and so if you go there, it gives you the number 8. I don't think there's one in this room. And the one in this room is there's a button on the back of this furnace, and if you press it, it opens this up. What's up, Daffy Dilla? All right, so this is the racking my brains trying to come up with an idea stream for these 3 final rooms. I'd like these rooms to be good, I don't want to have any or I don't want to have too many throwaway rooms. The cat room is a throwaway room. Obviously, the freebie lever is a throwaway room. Also, side note, how do you spell freebie? Is it... Okay, that's how you spell freebie. I already figured it out. Great. Question answered. Could try to do a redstone thing, but I don't know. That doesn't feel Great. That's okay. You don't have to be at every stream. But they are VODs on my YouTube channel. What is... Oh, wait, here's another thing I added that I think is very funny. That I think is funny, and most people will not think is funny. So first of all, give @p lever. So you get a lever, but it's just a regular lever, and you can't put it down on the blocks because it doesn't have the tags. And then right here is a teleport the player 5 blocks up. So you would try to use it to get up here. But if you'll notice, this tilde is touching the 5. They forgot to add a space. And so the error that would give you is, so if I do /tp @p do 5 do, I get this incorrect argument for command here. Now the problem is if I put that into a command block, right, and then I activate it, nothing's gonna happen. It'll show that. Excuse me. It'll show that in here, but it won't say anything. So I actually recreated the error message with a telraw so that when you press it, look, identical, except this is an actual error message and this is a telraw. I like that joke a lot. I like it a lot more than presumably most of the people who play this map will. Yeah, so of course you have to do slow falling, speed, and then teleport up. Zoop. Get that lever, baby. And then reimburse your speed. And then as you go over here, and you get the number 1. And presumably that'll be the last number you get. And then you'll put all your numbers there. And have a good old time. So this red section is the last section in the route, because this part is not dependent on any other sections. This part leads into this part, and this part is dependent on every other section. Yeah, so that's all I know about the route, is that red is the final section. Oh, and you have to keep coming back to yellow to do this. All right. As you can probably tell, I am stalling so I can think of ideas, but I still haven't thought of any. Colors. Let's get some colors. Woo, look at all those fancy colors right there. Ooh, those are some good colors. What can I do with them? Maybe something with mixing colors together. You know, blue plus green makes yellow. Red plus blue makes purple. Something like that I could do, maybe. Actually, maybe I could do something like that. So if I was to do like... No, blue plus yellow equals green is the... it's two different kinds of light. So that's like the paint, like, you know, when you mix paint together. But blue plus green equals yellow is true for... it's like computer monitors. So computer pixels are red, green, and blue. And then you can change how bright each of those colors is. And if you have a pixel that is green and blue with no red, it'll be yellow. And so that's what that is in reference to. Although it might be smart to actually do this with the paint colors as opposed to RGB, because that is more like commonly known. So you're probably right. I probably should do Roy G. Biv instead of RBG. Brown is just weird orange, yeah. All right, let's just get the primary, or like the main colors. Blue, magenta, pink. And so, like, let's say I have, like, or no, let's do, how would you make pink in this situation? Pink would be red plus, I guess white. I can bring white in. No, I know, but I mean, like, I didn't have white, so I was saying, like, what would I mix? I could, yeah. So let's say I've got a stack like this. And what if, okay, hear me out, right? So each of these has a button on it. And if you press the button of something, it combines with the thing above it. So here's the dilemma, right? Some things will not mix together. Magenta and pink will not mix together. At least not a color that exists as concrete, right? You mix magenta and pink, you just get slightly lighter magenta. And so the question is then, do I just say that magenta plus pink equals magenta? I think I might just do that. But anyway, so if I was to have a bunch of stacks and like each one's got its own thing going on, it's, you know, whatever. Red, yellow, yellow, green, red, you know, purple, white, white, yellow, fucking magenta. No, let's do like a green, blue. I don't know. Blue, green. And I need to make certain colored stacks. Like, how would I, first of all, how would I notate what stacks I want? And secondly, I feel like this is going to get a little crazy. Is this too complicated? The one next to it? Well, the thing is, I want to make it so it'll be like the passcode is like it has to match all of them. Or like all of them have to match a certain, like, I don't know. Maybe it'll be like on the floor in front of it. Like I want this to become red, green plus magenta. The fuck is green plus magenta? I know how to figure out what green plus magenta is. Here's how we're going to figure it out. I'm going to open Pixel, and we're going to do it in there. Hooray. It's Pixel time. Let's make a new. All right. So, first, we've got our green. Okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to make magenta. And we're going to put the opacity at half. So that's like 125, 122. Okay, so that is a color. Ew, I don't like it. It's like a teal gray. Okay, so it makes a teal gray. The fuck do I do then? Should I just say black for all the ones that don't match? Should I just make the ones that don't match turn black? I guess I could do that. Is this getting too crazy? You know what? This puzzle's stupid. I'm gonna let's rethink this puzzle because color mixing also isn't a great mechanic for colorblind people. There are certain things that like I mean, obviously this map is going to be hard if you're colorblind. That's just a thing, what I'm okay with is the fact that like even though these colors, like, you might, first of all, full color blindness is super rare, but even so, I'm still not super sure about how each of the conical specific ones. Oh yeah, definitely Daffodilla. That'd be super cool. The thing is, this part isn't, it's not like dependent on the color, it's just dependent on the difference between each color, and you can tell the difference, I think. But and the same for this part. But for a section like what we were just making, you would actually, you would need to know what the colors were, because you would need a grasp of color theory. So, and for that reason, I think maybe let's hold off on that one, because having different colored things is one thing, but using color theory, you would really need, like, yeah, there's no good way for a colorblind person to do that. So, instead, maybe we do something like, you guys remember the easiest map in the world rebooted? There was a section where it was like a chicken, but it was all rearranged, and you had to slide the tiles, and figure out what it was. We could do a smaller scale version of that, where it's like you have like a 9x9 or something. Sorry, a 3x3. I always do that. Something like red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Fucking okay. Hold on. Green, cyan, blue, purple, magenta, pink. Oh wait, this is the same issue though. Fuck. Same color blindness issue. Okay. And how do we fix that issue? Oh shit. Ellie Saku, raiding with a party of 19. What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for the raid. We are currently working on a Minecraft map and trying to design a puzzle without using color theory, but still using different colors, because I would like the map ideally to be colorblind accessible, but I don't know how I'm going to do that and do a puzzle based on colors at the same time. So yeah, that's what we're currently trying to postulate right now. I'm thinking maybe numbering them. The reason that I'm sort of against it though is because we already have a puzzle using the numbers 1 through 9 over here and putting them in order. So that's not super fun. It could be also that we retexture a bunch of blocks, and then maybe like there's like a line, like a squiggle that we draw, like here, like maybe if we were to do something like this, where this is our 3x3 of blocks, right? And let's just fill it in white, and then say that like you have to get it so that it looks like, you know, one connected thing, right? You know, something like that. Maybe even just like, you know, a circle, except an actual circle, and then like a dot in the middle. I don't know. Maybe an eyeball. You know, something like this. Ooh, that's creepy and also a bad drawing. But like that's, you know, something like that could be like just a very simple shuffle puzzle. Also, I should probably give context onto what this map is for everyone who just joined, which is you have 256 seconds to complete 12 puzzles. And so each one should take between like 15 and 30 seconds. Thank you, Nightbot, for the Discord shout out. So first of all, let me just make this an odd number real quick, because odd numbers are best numbers. Oh, and then so it would be like it would be like right here. Let's just put stone for now. And then it would have, no, you know what? It would go here. And they would have buttons on each side for shifting it in that direction. And then you would have to make like a full picture. So we can do that right now real quick. So here, I'm going to go back to Pixel. And then I think I'm going to do something real simple. I think I'm just going to like, hold on. I'm going to just do like a squiggly line. So it'll be like squiggle, maybe go through here, there, like that. And then, nah, that's not fun. I want to do a fun squiggle. You know, smiley face. Smiley face. Something like this, except less existentially nightmarish. Hold on. What if we just make like the most like horrifying, like this smiley face has seen some things. This smiley face has been to hell and like look at this dude. He is, oh my god. Oh, I kind of want to make a really creepy smiley face now. Oh, can we invert it? Let me try inverting it. Let me do like a, okay, this is our in-between color. And then let me just get white. Oh, that's terrifying. Oh, man. Oh, no. Look at this thing. I have seen God. I have seen God, and when he looked back at me, I saw my mother's face, and I screamed and fell in the well. I don't know. And then I woke up. Oh, Minecraft speedruns, yeah. Minecraft speedruns are very cool. I'm trying to like really get the creep factor. Okay, let me try to make this mouth more wobbly. That was awful. Also terrible. I want to, like, how do I make this just like super nightmarish? I almost feel like a simple smile is more creepy. Maybe a really wide one. Why am I trying to make a super creepy face? I still don't really understand why I'm doing that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god, you're right. What the hell? Oh no. Oh no. I thought that would make him look scared, but it just made him look compassionate. Maybe if I make the eyes bigger but keep the pupils the same size, that'll work. Oh, wait a second. What if I try to make the eyes look like drippy? goopy, drippy, gross, globby eyes. Ooh, I don't like that at all. That's yucky. Oh no. It's not exactly the vibe I'm going for, but this isn't going to look like drip, though. This is just going to look like teeth if I do this. Right? Yeah, it just, I don't know what it looks like. It's not teeth, but it's also not drip. Why am I doing this? I don't know. The nose, it, it makes it more creepy, but I also don't like it. Ooh, okay. Make it a little wider in the middle, maybe? Yeah. Yeah. All right, pupils. Now I think the pupils are better, are good. Jesus, look at it on the right here. Just why? Why are we doing this? This is the worst. All right, what blocks are we using? God, I just don't get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so close. All right, we'll use terracottas. Man, I really don't understand why I'm doing this, but I am, so. Textures, block. White terracotta. Oh, yes. Next up is orange terracotta, followed by magenta. And then light blue. And then lime. And then yellow and then lime. Although it doesn't really matter. I definitely know which picture you're talking about, Pollux. I definitely know which one you're talking about. Oh, I missed a bunch of people following. Koxel and Elisaku, thank you for following. Pink, gray, and light gray. Okay, let's switch back to Minecraft. And if I do... I think I did mess up the order. Yeah, I did. But it literally doesn't matter. All right. Moment of truth. Yeah, I think it's Jeff the Killer. Maybe. Moment of horrifying truth. Come on. Oh, okay. I didn't mess up the order. Christ almighty. Oh, why? Why? It's horrifying. It's so gross. Oh. Should I keep the pink buttons? I'm definitely not going to. Let's do polished blackstone. Oh, man. That is effective. Oh, I hate it. How I hate it. I just I don't know why we're doing this. God. Okay. So let's put some redstone shenanigans going on over here. How should it start out? Let's say it starts out like this. I'm definitely going to forget which ones I've used. Hold on. 4. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but then I was like, Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I kind of like that you really can't tell what it is right now. You just can't tell what it is. That's how it starts, that's how it ends. So, now we need to make the mechanism. Mechanism will be... Oh no. Look at it from the back. Oh no. Do I really do pink buttons? Oh, God. I don't want to. It's so weird. I think I have to, though. Yeah, the color palette works for some reason. Okay, so when you press this button, it does this. It does /clone do. This is positive, so it clones it to here. That's the second thing it does. The first thing it does is it clones this to here. So it needs to have a barrier. So first clone do to here. And then do this. Replace force. And then clone this to here. So yeah. So let's get all that in commands. Shall we give Inzoid a command block? So 3 steps. First, clone that to here. Then clone these to here. Replace force. And then clone this to here. To Sans. Nah, I don't need to do that. Yeah, these sliding tile puzzles are weird. All right, perfect. Now I need to invert it. So actually, okay. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, okay, no, that's right. Let me just move everything up 1. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Oh, 7, 7, 7, 7. And then do it one more time for level 8. Yeah, this one does not have a storyline. But yeah, some do. Actually, I have an idea that's been on my back burner for a long time, and I don't know if I will ever do it. But I want to see if I can make a command or a map that doesn't use command blocks, that only uses redstone. And I don't look forward to the prospect. It's definitely possible, right? Like it's not like that would be hard to, or it's not that it would be impossible to do. It would just be hard to do in a way that's unique. Oh, also, Paulix Catino, thank you for following. Okay, so for all of these, I actually do need to change the way this one works. So it's clone do 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 do. That's the first command. And then paste but for 7. And then paste but for 8. Oh, that is such a good point. That is such a good point. The wireless redstone looks super cool. Okay, so then, I save this so that I can move these to here. Yeah. Do that, but with 7. And then do that, but with 6. And then finally, they have all their blocks here, so it's clone do 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 do. And it's there, but with 7. And there, but with 6. So now if here, let me just, Minecraft has a lot going on in its various different aspects, so I still learn new things about Minecraft. All right, so slide, 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 and slide, 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 slide. Perfection. Oh, 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 oh. All right, and then just do the same thing, but for this direction. So first things first, clone, do, 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 do. Clone that. And then force. Oh no. Oh, what have I done? Oops. Supposed to put that in the second command block. So let me just... Thank you, Nightbot. And then third command. Is to do that. Okay. Towards negative Z. Or it's towards negative Z, so I can just say 102. Negative Z, not negative Y. Oops, I'm very stinky stupid. It's supposed to be towards negative Z. Great. Okay. So 1 towards negative Z. So 153. 153. and 153 and 154. No. 154. Stinky, stupid, smelly, not smart boy. 154. And then these, I just changed the Y values and then I changed the middle as well. So okay, so for most of these, I just set the Y value to, was that 6? No, 8. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't know why that took me so long to realize. So for this, it's just Y value 8. And then for the back ones, it's also just change it to 8. Yes, indeed. Why was that one already 8? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. I was supposed to be changing this one to 6. The very last one to 6. And then I need to change up fully, so it's bring these two up. So clone. And then copy it to these two. And then 153. And 154. And we should be done. Let's make sure we're done by cloning again. Okay. Where did that button? Oh, right. Down, up, up, down, down, up. Looks good to me. Now let's just put this one. What's up, Fuego? Oh, thank you for the raid. How is it going, everybody? How was the stream? Just finished making a very small sliding tile puzzle of a horrifying face that we made for some reason. For the next squared map, this is 16 squared. Let's see how hard this is to solve. Okay, mouth. That part of the mouth. There's the other part. And then that's that part of the mouth. Okay, now is where we get into the part that's kind of hard. Down, across, back up. Oh, but then I messed up with that part of the mouth. So let me move this, then back down. All right, up, across, back down. Hey, there we go. Look at this lad. And then when that happens, it'll like open a door right here or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now, I have absolutely no idea how to optimize this puzzle. It's really going to be trial and error optimization. I also don't know if you need to optimize this puzzle because I haven't obviously playtested the whole map because it's not done yet. Oh, for those who are new, who may have joined from the stream, from the raid. The point of this puzzle is you have to complete 12 puzzles in 256 seconds or less. And so this is one of the puzzles. And it starts off, so like actually let me just add in the win condition. Execute if blocks match all. No, all. Perfect. So we're gonna say, excuse me. We're gonna say, if the blocks match, then do these things. These things, of course, being air destroy. Fill it with air. Fill it with black concrete. Okay, so doesn't match black concrete, does match break, doesn't match black concrete, does match break. Perfect. Yeah, man. I am really excited. Also, I showed this off earlier. I'm being really petty. I made a section that detects if the player's name is Captain Sparkles, and if it is, then it bullies them for not choosing Glow Squid. Controversial, I know, but I thought it would be funny. To be fair, I promised someone that I would do it on Twitter, so I can't break my promises. Yeah. I just love he's been really salty about it on Twitter. So I was saying under one of his posts that if that I will bully him in a map, and then now Glow Squid won, so now I have to bully him. I remade the Glow Squid texture and I put it on the squid texture. And he gets trapped in a room and drowns while the Glow Squids just sit there and watch. And I'm 100% sure that while he's dying, he's going to get mad and he's going to say something along the lines of, "See, Henzoid made the Glow Squids with a resource pack. It's just a resource pack mob. I hate it here." I know he's going to say that. That's what he's going to say. I'm calling it now. Thank you for the follow, Tricksters P8. Appreciate it. Yeah, that will happen. And look. Yes, I am part of the Squid Squad, but I don't. People who voted for anything are welcome here. Okay, the what are they called? The Chillager chaps and the Moo Bloom. What is the Moo Bloom group called? It's the Chillager chaps and the Moo Bloom. Piss cow. It's the Piss Cow Patrol. The Piss Cow Patrol. Hey, I did Piss Cows first. I put lemon cows in I don't know what map to make. So Mojang owes me money. Even though Moo Blooms were added to Minecraft Earth before I made that map, but it doesn't matter. No, who's keeping track, right? All right, fucking okay. So this room is done and horrifying. Let me see if I can optimize this right here, right now. I wonder if there's an algorithm that I can make like a Java algorithm to do it. Actually, I feel like I could write a Java algorithm to do it. Should I? Should I do that? Okay, well, hold on. How would it work? It would basically say... So it would be like each time it runs through, it's going to pick a random command to activate. And that command will basically move one row in one direction. And then, yeah, it'd be super easy to do with queues. I don't know how to do 2D queues though. I do know how to do 2D arrays. It'd be really annoying with 2D arrays though. Okay. Right? All right. Everyone, question. Would people be interested in me going right now, opening up Eclipse, and trying to write a Java program that figures out what the fastest route for this is? Or should we just get back to map making? All right, those are our option A is make a Java program to solve it. And option B is don't. This is the mob vote 2.0. All right, Limelins is for A. God, I think I'm going to. I think I'm gonna. Okay, well, first, this is all dependent on if OBS can capture Eclipse. Where is my Eclipse? Where did you go? There it is. All right, let's see if OBS can capture Eclipse. I'm not gonna set it to display capture. You know how many things can go wrong if you set OBS to display capture? That's just waiting for trouble. Eclipse, why aren't you opening? Okay, there we go. I think this will probably work if I do the same settings I have for Pixlr. Or sorry, for Pixel. It's a window capture, and I mean Eclipse is a window. So we can see if it'll do the thing. Oh yeah, this code is not going to be optimized at all. No fucking way is this going to be optimized code. I also haven't coded in Java this semester because our comp sci class this semester is pseudocode. So we're not actually doing the code. We're writing like what the code would do, but not actually doing it. Okay, hold on. Let me just make a new project. Just gonna real quick do a new project. A new Java project. Blah, 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 blah. Project name, solve grid. Finish. It'll just take a second. Sure. I'm not super well versed in Eclipse. Now it's not responding. Help. Okay, there we go. Now let me just go into. All right. Pixel, and I'm gonna say window capture. Oh no, it's not even showing up on the window capture option menu. Help. Why aren't you there? Wait, it's literally not even on the... It's not even in the list of windows. What? Hold on. Why is it not an option? Oh, wait, there we go. Great. Oh, but it's so big. Oh no. All right. I'll move back. Okay. Okay, all right. Shut up, light theme, whatever. So, no, I don't need a module. What is this? I don't care about you. Wait. Okay, hold on. Fuck, how do I do this again? It's, I haven't done this in so long. Is it just class? What are you already saying about? God. I haven't done it in so long. Can I go steal from one of my other projects? No, not you. Okay, go out. back up. Let's go open one of my fucking Java homeworks. You're going to see my Java homework, you guys. Wow. No, let's go to main.java. Okay. So, we've got this stuff open. What are you saying? Why is it erroring out already? Oh, it's not called main. It's called module info. Can I rename you? Can I please rename you? You're gross and I hate you. I know there's a way to rename you. Where is it? Please. Am I blind or is there... Okay, I'm going to go into my files. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done on stream. Okay, Java. Yes. I mean, it doesn't matter. Okay. Where did this... What is the build path for this? Uh-oh, what did that do? Oh, there it is. All right, found you, you motherfucker. I'm renaming you. I'm renaming you to SolveGrid. SolveGrid.java. And now if I refresh, and then I delete you, get out of here, bro. I don't care about... Shit. Fuck. It's okay. We're good. We're good. All right. SolveGrid. All right. We're good. We're great. I know. Okay. And then what is it? It's this. Yeah, that. Okay. So we're gonna say new array, or no, what is it? It's integer grid equals new integer. So we make a 3x3 array of integers, and then I'm just gonna say, so I'm actually gonna look, okay, let's look at the Minecraft one, right? And the original, what order is it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the order is 1, or so that's 1. So it's, hold on. So white is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is actually, oh, I have a dumb idea. I'm going to use these numbered blocks in my inventory to figure this out. This is, God, okay. So white is 1, and white is over here. So here's 1. Orange is 2. Yellow is 5. Light gray is 9. Lime is 6. Light blue is 4. Pink is 7. Magenta is 3. And then gray. Okay, so our order is 2, 5, 9, 6, 4, 7, 3, 1, 8. That's a 0. Why do I have a 0? Oh, I meant to put 9. 9, 6, 4, 7, 3, 1, 8. So 2, 5, 9, 6, 4, 7, 3, 1, 8. All right. Good night, Pollux. Okay. So go back to this. So this is the order. So what I'm going to do is grid of 0 equals 2. Grid of 1 equals 5. Wait, did I do that wrong? Oh, wait, yeah. Grid of 0, 0. Grid of 1, 0 is 5. Grid of 2, 0. No, I'm doing this wrong, aren't I? Am I? I can't remember if the first one is columns or rows. I guess we'll see. 9. Then it's grid 0, 1 equals 6. Grid 0, 2. Grid, never mind, not 0, 2. Grid 1, 1 equals 4. Grid 2, 1 equals 7. Grid 0, 2 equals 3. 1, 2 equals 1. Grid 2, 2 equals 8. Now let me just see what happens if I grid dot to string, or what is it? System dot out dot print grid dot to string. Ooh, does grid have a to string? No, it does not. Fuck. So I guess let me just make a to string real quick. Public static string to string. Oh, also it's. Oh, I just did it wrong, didn't I? Yep, I totally did. If I run this, does something happen? Yeah, okay. Should have guessed. I need to make a custom to string. Custom string or public static custom string or string custom string. Input is integer grid and that's it. Yes, it'll return a string. Don't you worry. Okay. So I can't get over that I'm actually doing this just to like just to figure out like the most optimal route for this map. It's so stupid. I love it. Okay. So it would be. Oh, actually, it's void because it's printing something and not. No, it is string. So, is it? I think it is. Yeah, because it's returning the string and then it's going to print the string. So return I'm trying to big brain this right now. Uptime is 1 hour and 23 minutes. Okay. Return grid 0 0 plus grid 0 1 plus grid 0 2 plus plus a line break. And I'm going to copy this. I'm just going to replace all of this with 1. And then replace all this with 2. And then that'll be it. Is that type string? Wait, what do you mean type string? Oh, no, I do need to do a string. Okay. There we go. This should work. Maybe. It didn't work. Why did you not work? Oh, because it's right. Custom string. Forgot. It's the name. I think... Wait, chat frozen? Uh-oh. Chat is frozen. Why is chat frozen? Oh, because I hadn't clicked on it in a while. Oops. All right, let's try this. Or not. But it's set, but I can. But I can, look, it wants that. Yes, did I? Why? Cannot invoke custom string on the array type integer? Or the array type integer 2D? But I can. What? But I can. All right, yeah. Why? This error doesn't make sense. Cannot invoke custom string on the array type integer. But I can. It says I can. Look, you stupid code. Dude, it's made for this thing. Did I put it in the wrong order? No, that's the right order. Help. No, this code doesn't make any sense. Is it not supposed to be static? No, that's not it. All right. It is bug fixing time for a bug that I don't understand. I'm very dumb. You know what I'm just going to do? I'm just going to print this. I'm just going to print this. I don't know why I'm not just doing that. That's a much better idea. Let's try it. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. It's adding the numbers together. Oh my god, it's adding the fucking numbers together. That's so funny. I totally forgot about that. Oh my god. I completely forgot that this is going to add the numbers together unless I put spaces between them. Okay. Not the most intelligent tonight. Don't worry though. It'll be fine. There we go. So I did do it wrong then. Yes, I did in fact do it in the wrong way. So it's got to be there's got to be 2 6 3 5. No, hold on. Yeah. 5 4 1 9 7 8. Because that way, if I print 259647, if I look at Minecraft, 259647, yeah. All right, so chat, we have a grid. The grid is correct. So now I need to make, so if I make a function that takes in an integer array, is it going to work? Public static void check function. I'm just going to say it takes in integer array I'm going to call it array. And then it's just going to system.out.print array. And that's it. That's the whole thing. System is capital. Forgot about that. Oh, right. Yeah. Check function grid. Is this going to do that weird thing? Okay, it worked. So this does work. So this is the fun part, you guys. This is the fun part. So what I have to do is I'm going to say, so we need to have 12 functions, right? No, we don't need to have 12 functions. We need to have 4 functions. It would be shift up, integer array, and then integer column, and then it's let me just copy that, shift down. Oh, hold on. And then shift left, and it would be row. And then shift right, row. Okay. So, God. And I actually need to do global. Is that right? No, it's not right. It's a public? Yeah, public. And then I'm also going to do public. No. Is that right? We're getting to the good part. I just need to make sure that I'm doing this right. I believe that makes a global variable. And then I'm also going to say storage just make an integer called storage. No, main has to be static. What is it? Is it it's not global though. I totally forget what you call. I know, I'm just rhetorical question. Public? Do I have to say this dot? Static reference to the non-static field grid. Is that right? That is right. Okay. So I have to put static. So for shift up, what you do is, so actually for shift up, I don't need to input anything because it's using the global array. Yeah, I know. Okay. So the order is, so we have our column, and the columns are, so looking at this, 0, 0, 0. So the rows, which row you're on is the left number, and which column you're on is the right number. Yes. So the right number is the column. So it is storage equals, oh, already an error. If I just say storage equals 1, okay. Storage equals grid, I've already forgotten. Left number is row. I'm just going to put right number equals column. So we're given the column. So it's grid of shift up. Take these, go up. So we want to store the topmost value. So it's grid of 0 of column. Then we're going to say grid, my password? The fuck are you talking about? Okay. Grid of 0 equals grid of 0, or no, sorry, grid of 0 of column equals grid 1 of column. No, what are you doing over there, stupid ass? Of column, and grid 1 of column equals grid 2 of column, and finally grid 2 of column equals storage. So then for shift down, it's the same thing, but we say storage equals grid 2, and then we say grid 2 equals grid 1 equals grid 0, and grid 0 equals storage. Okay, demonetized. All right. That is an old SCP. Or no, wait, that's the one in my author page. Right. Well, I also use it in SCP, but it's in reference to an SCP that I never published. Or no, sorry, Jane is a reference to an SCP I did publish. But you would have to dig fairly deep to figure out why Jane 9513 is, like, what the significance of that is to the character. Okay, so then replace all this with row, your boat, So if we're moving everything to the left, we're going to keep track of 0. So 0, keep track of 0, then we're going to say 1 equals 0. Or sorry, grid 0 equals grid 1. No, stop it. Grid 1 equals grid 2, and grid 2 equals storage. And then for shift right, should be 2. 2 equals 1. 1 equals 0, and 0 equals storage. This should work. Now, we need to make oh god, how does randomness work again? I totally forget. Let me look it up real quick because I actually forget. Java random value between two integers. It's been a while, okay? Don't blame me because I can't remember how to find a random number between two numbers. Oh, right. You have to make a random. Oh, wait, do you need the random? Yeah, I need to Java import java.io.random. Is that it? Is that right? No, it's not. Oh, fuck. I do not remember how to do this. I have to look it up real quick. Just give me a second. Random Java. Okay, what do I have to import? There it is. What are you talking about, demonetized? Okay, random r equals new random. And then we say so just give me, so it's integer rand pick equals r dot next int, and I think if I put 9 it'll give me, so system dot, what is this, out dot print ln rand pick, right? Is that gonna work? What's up, Fudge? You have chosen a very weird stream to watch. I am currently in Java trying to optimize the solution to a Minecraft puzzle. Okay. Oh, wait, here, let me plus /n. Okay. That, okay, 7, 3, 0, 7. It's okay. It is in fact picking a random number between 0 and 9. And so what I want to do is I want to say, I'm just going to do a lot of if statements. If okay, I'm going to make, here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to make a new one called static integer solution equals new integer 3, and I'm going to do this. Oh, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to space it out, and then I'm going to say solution And it's going to be 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. And then I'm just going to check to make sure that it is correct. So let me just solution. I really should have made an actual functioning two-string method, but I didn't. And this is my solution. So, but you know what? Whatever. Who needs two-string, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. I'm going to then. All right. This is the fun part. This is the good part. While grid does not equal solution, do all this shit. Oh, fuck. I can't make them equivalent? Really? Ugh. That's so annoying. Do I really have to do... Do I have to do grid of 0, 0 does not equal solution of 0, 0, and... Or no, or grid of 0, 1 does not equal solution of 0, 1. What are you on about? I can't say not equal to. What the is it? Oh, I was doing it wrong. So does that mean that I'm actually okay doing that? I can do it. I can do it. Favorite color? Purple. 100%. Okay. While grid is not equal to solution, I'm going to say yeah, I was fucking that up. Okay, so first thing that happens, pick a new number, pick a random number between 0 and 9, and then if r equals 0, is that right? Oh, I guess I can just do this. Or sorry, no, it's rand pick. Sorry. Yeah, blue is a good one too. If rand pick equals 0, then we're going to do shift up 0. Else if rand pick equals 1, shift up 1. Else if rand pick equals 2, shift up 2. Else if rand pick equals 3. Wait, it's supposed to be 11. If rand pick is 3, shift down 0. Else if rand pick equals 4, shift down. There's a much more efficient way of doing this, but I'm just not. Else if rand pick equals 5. I should explain what I'm doing. Essentially, I'm saying that, like, a switch statement. Oh, God, I don't remember how to do that. I don't remember how to do that, man. Okay, listen. I didn't say this was going to be good code. I said it was going to work. Shift left 0. I vaguely remember learning them last year. 7, shift left. Was I about to explain what I'm doing? Essentially, I'm saying pick a random row / column to shift in a random direction. And then do it over and over again until the grid is equal to the solution grid. Now, I should also be adding, actually, I'm gonna add a log of what shifts are happening. Probably, I don't know. Else if rand pick equals 8, shift left 2. Else if rand pick equals 9. And then I'm just going to run it a bunch of times until I get a good... Actually, I don't know how I'm going to do the optimization part. I just realized I don't know how to do the optimization part. Else if rand pick equals 11. Okay. So, dot out dot print ln shift first row up. Shift first row up. Shift second row up. Third row up. Then shift first row down. Shift second row down. Shift third row down. Shift first row. Oh, wait. Column. I have to say column for all of these. Invigorating Minecraft gameplay right now. No, so this one is row. Shift first row left. Shift second row left. Shift third row left. And then finally, shift first row right. Shift second row right. And shift third row right. And then when all of that is done, system.out.print ln done. Is this going to work? Let's find out. Oh boy. Oh boy. I can't tell if it's just randomly taking a super long time or if it's stuck in an infinite loop. I cannot tell. At this point, it feels like it's probably an error, right? It feels like it should have solved it by now. Oh, I just realized. Oh. This won't work. Of course they're not equal. They could only be equal if they were in the same place in the code. It just has to be that their numbers are the same. So I do actually have to do the whole grid of 0, 0 is not equal to solution. Or actually, can I do until? Until grid of 0 equals solution of 0 of 0. First of all, I don't remember if until is a thing. Okay, it seems like it's not. Fuck. Until Java. Would I just do while not? I guess it would be while these are not equal, or yeah, so let me just two hold on. Just to copy. Two, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1. Wait, did I? Fuck. Oopsie. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, and 2, 2. Scary movies? I have no idea. I do not watch scary movies. That is just not my thing. So I could not tell you. Okay, this should work, right? Okay. So as you can probably tell, that's not optimized at all. So hold on, let me real quick. Every time it activates, I want to say int counter equals 0, and then each time I want to say int counter plus, or sorry, just counter plus plus, and at the end I'm going to say done completed in plus counter moves. Okay. So I run it. So that's a lot of moves. So, okay, so the way to do this would be just to run it like a million times, right? I would say run this a million times, and then on each run through, keep track of the counter. And at the end of the run through, if the current counter is less than the previous counter, set the new overall counter to that. So hold on. So I actually need to copy everything I've made, right? The current goal, no idea. I just want to see if I can find the most optimized route. So I want to say for x equals 0, x is less than 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, x plus plus. That should just say like, oh wait, yeah, int. And then I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to have a global variable, static integer, overall score. And for the first, I'm just going to set overall score like at the beginning. I'm going to say overall score equals a number that's way too big. So I'm going to say 1,000,000. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to say overall score is 1,000,000, right? So if I don't get any numbers that are less than 1,000,000, I don't care. Honestly, set overall score to 1,000, 100 even, because there's no way that the most optimized route is more than 100 moves. Set overall score to 100. Then do all this shit, right? Then we're going to say if counter is less than overall score, overall score equals counter. And at the very end of this entire like million run throughs, we're going to system.out.print ln overall score. Is this insanely stupid and it's going to take 1 billion years to do? Oh man, like, okay, let me just make sure that it works if I do it like 10 times. Okay, save this and then do it. So it's running over and over and over again. So I did it 10 times. If I go through, if I try to find done or finished, what is it? Or completed, oops. Why is it not working? Did it only do it once? Hold on. It should do it 10 times. I feel like it's only running one time. It's definitely only running one time. Uh-oh. Not sure why it's only running one time. So I'm also going to say, make another integer. Static integer count total. Beginning, we're going to say count total equals 0. And every time this activates, or every time this runs, I'm going to say count total plus plus, baby. All right. Oh, but I don't have a method to print out count total. Hold on. At the very end, we got to say. Lowest was plus overall score plus in plus count total runs. All right, let's go. Is it actually fucking up, or is it just hard to tell because there's so many commands? Honestly, probably the second one. Called fucking shit code. Hell yeah. This one's taking a lot longer. So now here's what's going to happen. If this works, it's taking a long time. 10 runs. It did do it 10 times. It ran 10 times. So, if I run it like a million times while I'm asleep, is it ever going to find a solution that is less than 100? That's the question. And let's just go. It's now running. All right, back to Minecraft. All right, so that's just going to run in the background forever. I really feel like for the amount of effort I put into that, I probably should have just tried to big brain it, because I bet I could. Like, I bet the solution is not that hard to figure out. And the fact that I'm trying to use code to find the best solution means that it would be too hard, but it isn't too hard. I think I can definitely. Did I just waste like 40 minutes on something that's really easy to do with your human brain? 100% I did. I'm kind of okay with that, actually. I'm sort of fine with that. Oh. Also, a million is a lot of times. Should I, like, hold on, I'm stopping it. I'm gonna make it run like 100 times. So it'll be running in the background while we play. That's what coding is all about. Yeah, make robots do it for us, even if we can definitely do it ourselves. So there are still 2 puzzles to make in this map. And they are both in the yellow section. Now, the yellow section is an interesting section. You have to keep coming back to it. You have to come back to this part 3 times total. So presumably the yellow section is going to be the first section you come to. That is a very good point, Lime Lens. A very good point that I don't know the solution to. What is the solution? I know the solution. The solution is save all of the commands that it does, and then if the counter is lower than the previous counter, then you also are going to save the string of commands as a global string. Yeah, that would be the answer. Should I do that right now? I mean, I highly doubt that in 100 playthroughs it's going to find anything lower than 100, but you know, I guess we'll see. So the yellow section, I'd like it so that the 2 things in the yellow section together take less than 1 minute, which shouldn't be too hard to do considering that if they were both 30 seconds long, that would be excessive for two puzzles. Wait, what time is it? It's almost 1 a.m. I should probably end the stream. uh, Holy shit. What a fucking stream, dude. Uh, that's this has been such insanity. I really loved it though. Let's go raid Zine though. Y'all, I want to go raid Zine. Who wants to raid Zine? Yeah, baby. We're gonna go raid Zine right now. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be epic. Um, Shut up. Sleep is for gamers. Okay, so no, don't leave. Stay for the raid. We gotta raid Zine. You guys gotta stay so that it says that I have a bigger number of people than I normally do. Okay, you guys. Who's hyped? Don't go don't go being like spamming shit though. Just say like, Henzoid raid or whatever. Okay, bye you guys.